Hello, dear student. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great at your home and enjoying your online classes. Student, this is your subject teacher of English, and today I'm going to explain a new chapter to you. Student, it is chapter number 17, which is given in your English grammar book. Student, the title of this chapter is Use of the Apostrophe. Student, now, today we're going to learn about the uses of apostrophe. So, let's read about it. So, first of all, you tell me what the means of apostrophe. Do you know about it? Student, in your previous classes, you have already learned about this topic, and now today's video I'm going to again explain this topic to you. So, student, apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in English writing. Okay, the meaning of apostrophe is, what is apostrophe? So, apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in English writing. Student, the apostrophe is used to indicate omission of letters to form contracts or shorten word. We use the apostrophe to show position. Okay, and we use the apostrophe when we wanted to show that something belongs to someone. So student, here are some example. Let's read it. So first of all, read these sentences carefully. So let's read this sentence. So first of all, in first sentence is, this is an Prashant's car. This is an Prashant's car. Student, you can see here is a two apostrophe in this sentence. First is isn't. So student, it is the contraction of is not. Okay, is not. It is a full form of, and when we short this form it becomes isn't. Okay, isn't, is not. And Prashant cars, it means that car belongs to the Prashant. Okay, it's Prashant car, it means this car belong to the Prashant. Next is second, and second option, Swati won't go to Khyati's house. Third, aren't these Sucheta's ballerina? Aren't these Sucheta's ballerina? Ballerina, okay. Next word is, we couldn't finish Ketan's tiffin. I can't take my mother's handbag to my school. What's special about the highlighted characters? So let's learn more. So here are the next examples. Let's read this example. So Namita's dress is beautiful. Namita's dress is beautiful. Next example is, Ranjit's grandfather is ill. And next, is this Subhi's necklace? My mother-in-law's house is far from here. In these sentences, we use an apostrophe and an s to show ownership or position of things. Student, in these sentences, we used an apostrophe and an s to show ownership or position of things. Next, so position of things can be shown like this. Here are some many more examples. By adding an apostrophe and s to the noun, for example, Deepak's ball and Geeta's bangles. By omitting s A few words where more than one as sound occurs together. For example, Mr. Parason's overcoat. Okay. Next is by placing an apostrophe after the s is the noun is plural. In this case, we do not add another s. For example, the teacher's book. Here you can see the teacher's book. So here we don't use this another s. Okay, we have to use the apostrophe. Okay, after that the butterfly's wings. So student, let's do the exercise. After knowing about the apostrophe, let's solve the exercises of given chapter. So here are the notes. You have to remember that the apostrophe s is usually used with nouns that name people and animals. So student, let's do the exercise. Take the correct option to complete these sentences. Okay, so you have to take the correct one. So in first you can see my friend and my friend's brother is a doctor. So student, tell me which one is correct in both option. So here is option second one is correct, friends. Okay, next the tigers strips are very prominent. So here are the tigers are correct. Next in number third, the children's park is near our house. So we have to take the correct one. Next, I went to Leela's house on Mondays. Okay, I went to Leela's house on Monday. So in this number 4, we have to take the first. After that number 5, she went to her mother's in-law and mother-in-law's house for dinner. So we have to choose the correct. After that number 6, the students and the students' desks were very clean. So here are the students is correct. After that number 7, Rajesh entered the men's dressing room during the show. Next, number 8. In number 8, there is a Esther sent her daughter to a girls' college. So here are the girls. It's correct. Next, she was sent to Rita's house to study. So this one is correct. Next, number 10. The elephant's trunks are very long. So we have to choose the correct. Number 11. The cow's milk is good for health. So here is the cow's milk is good for health. Okay. Next, last, my neighbor's garden is admired by all. So we have to take the correct. Okay, student. After doing this exercise, come to the next. In next, there is a practice. So you have to practice this given exercises. So first of all, in number 1, rewrite this phrase using either apostrophe s. Okay, so let's do it. So in first you can see nests of birds. So here we have to write this phrase using apostrophe s. Okay, so let's do it. So in 1 we have to write bird's nest. Okay, bird's nest. So we have to write BIRD apostrophe s, bird's nest. Okay, in number 2, club of men. So we have to write men's club. Okay, in next, number 3, shouts of boys. So we have to write, it is a plural. So in the plural form, we don't use the apostrophe another s. Only we have to use the sign of apostrophe. Okay, because we have learned that when the word end with s, so that place we don't use the another s. Okay, it is a plural, so we don't use the another s, only we have to use the sign of apostrophe. Okay, so here we have to write boys shouts, shouts, shouts. Come to the next, beak of parrot, so we have to write parrot's beak, parrot, parrot's beak. Okay student, next, come to the next, frame that belongs to Mrs. Stubbs. Okay, so we have to write Mrs. Stubbs frame, Mrs. Stubbs frame. Okay, next, number 7, toys that belong to the babies, so we have to write babies toys, babies toys, babies toys. Next, come to the next, perfume bottles of sister-in-law, so we have to write sister-in-law's perfume bottle, sister-in-law's perfume bottle. Number 9, trouser that belong to boys, so we have to write boys trouser, boys trouser. Okay, next, last, purse that belongs to ladies, so we have to write ladies purse. Okay student, by using the apostrophe s, okay, and the sign of apostrophe. Now come to the next. In next, there is exercise B. In exercise B, we have to do, read these sentences carefully and correct the errors. Okay, so first is Rahul went to the children's park to play. So student, here we can see that word of children is written incorrectly, so we have to correct this word. So here we have to write, we know that children are already a plural words. Okay, so here we have to write children apostrophe s, children's. Okay, next, Tina's and Donna's father is an engineer, so here we have to write in Donna's Dona apostrophe s, Donna's father is an engineer. Next, number 3, the books pages are turned. Okay, so we have to write the books, it is correct, the books pages are turned. Okay, so next, number 4, my sister-in-law will visit the temple this evening, so here we have to write sister-in-laws. Okay, we have to use apostrophe s. Next, number 5, Suran and Vivek's writing are totally different, so here we have to write Suran and Vivek's writing style are totally different. So student, this sentence is correct, so we have to write this sentence like same. Okay, next, Sonia's parents will meet my teacher today, so here we have to write Sonia by using the apostrophe, Sonia's. Okay, next, number 7, I loved listening to these geese cackles, so we have to write in number 7, I loved listening to the geese cackles. In number 8, the fan's blades are rusty. And number 9, how many members are there in Raju's family? So student, here we have to write Raju's by using the apostrophe. Next, number 10, I will take shower in the women's dressing room after my swim. So we have to write women's like this. Okay, by using the apostrophe. Now come to the next 11. Next number is number 11. So in number 11, here is the hotel rooms are large and spacious. So student, here are the hotels is correct. So we have to write this sentence in a same way. And last one is, these dresses design are beautiful. So student, here are the word dresses, and we know that when word end with a s, so we have to use only sign of apostrophe at last of s. Okay, so it will be done. Student, I hope is that clear to you how to use apostrophe in any words. Okay, in any word. Student, I hope this topic will be clear to you. Now you all, till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practice of this chapter. Okay, thank you.